Hootsuite's Collaboration Hub is a set of tools within Hootsuite Ads used to simplify campaign approvals and onboarding requests for a more streamlined client interaction. With campaign approvals, you can send a final campaign draft to a client or coworker for approval. And with onboarding requests, you can request access to Facebook business accounts to manage ads. You can also enable white label features to add your branding to approval emails or set mandatory campaign approvals for all ads. To get started, log into your Hootsuite Ads account and click the Collaboration tab. Here, you will see an overview of approvals and requests, as well as the status of the most recent of each. For more in-depth information and history, you can click into a specific tab. To send a campaign for approval, you first need to create one. At the final step of your campaign creation, select Request Approval. Here, you can add a message to your request and select either single or multi-step approval. Enter the relevant email addresses to create an approval flow. Then, select the options that require approval. In the multi-step process, you can control which options are visible to the approver on an individual level and add additional people. With the emails entered, send the request, or send the request link directly. Once the campaign is sent, you can't make any new edits until it's been reviewed. If a campaign is sent to you for approval, click the link and enter your details to get a campaign overview. This will include any notes left by its sender. You can also review ad set information like budget, scheduling, placement and targeting, ad previews, and ad variations. Once you have reviewed it, either approve and publish the ad or reject it. If you are rejecting the campaign, you must include a note which will be shared with the sender. For multi-step approvals, approving a campaign will send it to the next reviewer in line. When a campaign is rejected, the sender will receive an email notification. Rejected campaigns are visible in the Campaign Approvals tab alongside pending and approved campaigns. Here, you can access details like the reviewer's note and the review stage it got to before being rejected. If a request is pending, open the Actions section to copy the approval link, override the approval, or delete the request. To send an onboarding request, begin by clicking Request Onboarding. Type a message for the reviewer and select the Facebook user and business manager account you want to connect to. You can also select external customer relationship management software like MailChimp. Once you have saved your request, send it via email or send the link directly. To accept an onboarding request, click the email link and enter your details. If you're granting access to an ad account, page, or CRMs, enter the information for each. Then, click the Recap tab to review. Once the accounts are onboarded, they can be viewed by your Ads Manager in the Onboarding Requests tab. Here, you can take specific actions regarding the requests, such as resending the onboarding email, copying the onboarding link, or deleting the request. You can also see the connected networks and any errors. To set a white label template for approval and onboarding emails, click to the Settings tab. You can add a company logo, name, and a custom reply email. You can choose to show the name of the specific person making a request rather than just the company name, as well as set approvals to mandatory. To set mandatory campaign approvals, simply enter the email of the reviewer and click to apply.